I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 20 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And the prompts for this week are threads or pieces of fabric, and I'm using these old curtain tiebacks that I have, and a famous person. So on the internet I just printed off a bunch of different classic Hollywood actresses. I love the old actresses. They seem to be so classy back then. And something you see through a window in whichever form. And I've got this patio type place that I got from a book, and a postcard or portion thereof. And I had this postcard, but it was going to be too big, so I shrunk it down to 2 different sizes to see what would work. And a date written out, and I've got this label to write that out. And the bonus is something blue, and I have got different things with blue on it, dresses and my tiebacks. So we'll just see how this goes. I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. here it is, my star-studded collage. I've got pieces of fabric, that's my curtains looking out through my window, a famous person. I've got many famous people, and I love the classic Hollywood. Something you, like I said, see through a window in whatever forms. I've got my background with like the patio with the fountain and everything. Postcard, a letter, a portion thereof. I've got the little postcard. A date written out. I've got today's date. This is the day I finished it. And the bonus is something blue, and I've got blue throughout. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag to see what everyone has done. So until next time, bye y'all.